large numbers everywhere we go. That shows you that what we want is the same. We all want freedom. We all want a country that gives us hope. We want a country where we move on good roads. We want a country where young people will have jobs. Now in a special way here in Pakwach, I know many of you have been driven off your land. I know many of you who work on the lake and on the rivers, the military has driven you away from there. Some of you that have gone to school, you don't have any employment opportunities. I am here to tell you that all that is going to be history in a new Uganda. We have a new opportunity now. On the 15th of January, we are going to the polls. And Biabakama, the Electoral Commission says we are 19 million voters. Majority of those people are you and me. They are in our generation. I want to ask all of you to turn up in large numbers. Go and vote. And when you go out to vote, vote for the umbrella. Whenever you see the umbrella, just keep right there. When you make me your friend president, my brothers and sisters, we are going to put an end to 40 years rule. Museveni is going to be the last dictator that ever ruled Uganda. It is going to be the end of family rule. No other president will rule our country for 40 years. The police will not be playing politics or torturing people but protecting people. Our teachers will be paid well and on time. And our factories will work again. When you're driving to here, you're going to see broken down railway. Those railways, once upon a time, those railways were bringing trains here. They were bringing merchandise and taking away business. We were bringing business and taking away your produce. That does not happen anymore. The young people of this place, they see a broken railway, but they have never seen a train. When you look at that broken railway line, it should tell you that Pakwach has ever been in a better place. In the past, trains used to come here and take away your produce and agricultural products. It has not happened anymore. Look at the inland port that used to work. It is now scrapped. That shows you that in 40 years, Museveni has been destroying what was put together in the Vote regime and in the Amin regime. I am telling telling you that hope is going to come back here again. That we are going to go back to our agriculture and our cash crops will have market because the government will make sure that happens so. The cooperatives will come back again and the farmers will be once again respected. I've said it many times and I say it again that as soon as I become president, the first order will be to order the military to leave the lakes and the rivers so that the people enjoy their natural products, their natural resources. So to achieve all that, I request all of you brothers and sisters to take charge, to be part of this, to get involved, and to make sure not only you but everybody you know turns up to vote. And when you come to vote, my brothers and sisters, don't leave the polling station. Stay around and protect your vote because the nation depends on what you do. Finally, I will tell you that we have to rush. We are going very far. We want to make sure we reach every part of the country. We have to drive and go to Madiokolo to speak to the people there. I don't know what time we are going to reach there, but at least we have to step foot there. So my brothers and sisters present here, I want to ask every one of you to become Bobby Wine. Do it here in your place.